Hey guys. We're in the car. So we are going to Aladdin.
We're in downtown Omaha, so we're gonna get something to eat. Then we'll show you guys around before we go.
Yep. Yeah, the showing's at 6:30, so this is actually the live Broadway, so we can't actually take you with us, but we can give you like some, I don't know, like our take on it and stuff during intermission and afterwards.
And then you guys know that from when we saw the Nutcracker, that's the same place that it's at.
Yeah. And we'll put the Nutcracker thing down below too in our description. But anyway, we will see you guys probably at dinner.
Maybe.
Not while we're eating, but
we'll see.
Alright, see you guys. So we're eating here. Michael's Cantina at the market. It's right downtown. So we'll see how everything is going to be.
It's so cold outside too.
Huh?
It's so cold outside.
Huh. Not too expensive.
It's not too bad, yeah.
Pretty much it. Alright, so I got the grilled steak tacos. Not too bad. I don't do lettuce or pico de gallo or whatever it's called and stuff, and I don't do beans, so I'm a little picky. So this is what mine looks like. It's not too bad. I haven't tried it yet. And this is what Amber's got.
It's two chimichangas. The sauce is really good here.
It took like 5 minutes to come out. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So how was it, Amber?
It's not recording, is it? It's alright. And it wasn't worth $11.
Yeah.
Like, the cheese is hard. Like, I can't move my other chimichanga.
So,
It's food.
yeah.
What do you think?
I ate my tacos.
There's all the cheese left.
True. It wasn't bad.
It's alright.
There's another restaurant that we'll go to at some point. It's called La Mesa, and it's so good. Yummy, yummy.
It's kind of like Chuy's in Florida. Well, no, because Chuy's has the
New Mexico food.
Mexico chili. Well, it makes no sense.
No.
It's like the white version of Mexican food, La Mesa.
I'm gonna stop recording now. Oh, okay.
And then Chuy's is like New Mexican food. That's why I like it there.
And if you don't remember, Amber's from Albuquerque. Albuquerque in the house.
Woo-woo.
505.
Represent the 505 bouquet. Just kidding. I don't say that at all.
I may or may not cut that out. We'll find out.
I know, it'll be in there.
So, we're going here. Let's go to Fairmont. Take an old-fashioned candy place. It's really cool. So, can we go down there? Yeah, we can go in there. Yeah. So, yeah.
We are really hard. It's so cold. Brian's face is red. Look what you're doing.
Yeah, it's kind of brutal. Alright, see you guys. Like, this is so cool. Look at all these Pez.
That was behind you.
All the trolls. Comment below if you had any of these. These are really cool. I hope we can record. If not, we may have to delete, but these are cool. So we got permission to record here.
Yeah.
But this smells like old, but it's really cool.
Oh, my nose is like, sorry guys.
Look at that. How many of you had that record?
Wow. Look, I have the clarinet. I used to play the clarinet.
They're really cool. Dude, no way.
Yeah.
What's wrong with them? Greatest hits.
$6. I wanted to get a record player and you didn't want one. Now all of a sudden, because it's...
Well, hold on. What songs are there? I like really... Oh, this is the album that I broke.
Okay. Aretha, Madonna, Olivia Newton-John.
Oh, look at her. Look, the Go-Go's. Oh, wait for it. Lenny Kravitz.
Oh, look at Disney.
Barbara Streisand?
Look, they have a Jungle Book.
It's a classic.
Wow. Go down, look down here. It's easily lost, not lost, but like, for what there is.
I don't even know what this is, but it's a kitty.
Oh, they have cassettes. Oh, they have 8-track. They have CDs. We just get as much as we can here.
How's it feel to be tall?
Well, now, oh, look at her. Oh, yes, I'm tall. Scoot up. Whoops.
Oh, what is this?
What?
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. All right, who remembers this movie?
The Blair Witch.
Well, now that you know the answer. Oh, look at all the Husker stuff. Go Big Red.
Oh, that's the only stuff they have. I think they would have.
Yeah. Yeah, no. These aren't coming home. They almost look like the ones from oh, look at that one. That is creepy.
That looks scary.
Look at that. Dude, just the way it looks. It's staring at Amber.
It's pointing too.
That's crazy. What?
Yeah, look at all that. There's comic books too.
Oh, Mickey Mouse game. What? Who's the leader of the club?
MICKEYMOUSE. I hope that's not copyrighted.
But look at this. You can learn how to curry right here. Back in.
Oh, yeah,
And they made it to a game.
they have a Flipper and a Snow White lunchbox.
For $75.
Or lunch pail. This strawberry shortcake. I like strawberry shortcake. A whoopee cushion? You need a whoopee cushion?
I used to want those X-ray glasses.
Did you?
Yeah.
Hey, look at you mustaches. For you Lady Gaga fans, this is the piano that she played in the UNI video. It was actually filmed here in Springfield, Nebraska.
Which is south from where we live.
So this is the piano. That's pretty cool. They have a like old time cinema. Like, look how cool that is. And then they have party rentals and stuff here too, so that's really cool to check out. Like,
Oh, look how bad either. $150 for
an hour.
an hour.
But this is a really, really cool place. Like, it's interesting with everything. And this is where all the candy is.
Oh, for our godsons.
Oh, look, here's more peasants.
It was Husker.
Look, presidents.
Nice.
Like, they have all these up here.
Amber, they got Paw Patrol.
Finding Dory. Oh, look at this pink car. What is this? Brian? What's this pink car? Do you know?
I don't know. Oh, here it is, Amber. So this car is a pink Cadillac,
What's a 61?
along with Elvis Presley strumming a guitar. So, just there it is. Chocolate Band-Aids.
Red vines. Remember some of these? These are like old school.
These are the ones I was telling you about.
Then get some. What kind do you
I
want?
don't know. Let's keep looking. Look, they have different colors. Nerds.
They have Turkish tattoo.
Huh.
I wonder what that too is like.
I don't know. Oh my god,
Do
Day.
you remember
Yeah.
this? Oh my god. Do you want some?
Do you want some?
What is this one?
You can be so annoying in the play.
We can't take it in there.
Here we can. Look, they have narrators.
They have those, remember those ices?
Oh yeah.
Fresh pepper, strawberry pill. Yeah, Pop Rocks. Look at them. I want to try these. Strawberry, orange, blue raspberry, green apple. They're waffles.
Alright, we're gonna sign off for now. Pick up some stuff and then we'll come back.
How much was it? A lot?
So we wanted to show you what we got. I think we only spent like $11.
So Brian got a whatchamacallit.
I know, you get that at a gas station. I know, so original.
And then I wanted this.
Look, we found those after we got off. So awesome. Those two. Remember those?
And we got the cherry. And then I found this that I was excited about.
There it goes.
And then
Coconut bar.
I found these.
Which I think I showed. And then she got a piece of toffee.
And I got a piece of toffee that they made.
So,
Is that all we got?
yep, not so bad.
So $12 for all that to go to. So if you guys, what was it called again? You want to show it?
It's called a Fremont.
And they let us record in there, so that's pretty cool.
We just couldn't record they have like pinball machines and all that kind of stuff
That
too.
was super old. Look at the sunset.
And we're really excited.
I saw the colors. Look at how pretty it looks though.
So we're on our way to,
The car.
no, the car's back there. We're on our way to go to the Orpheum Theater.
Unless we find another store, that would be cool to show you guys too.
Yeah.
Are we walking the wrong way?
No, we're walking the way, right?
Okay, I'm lost. What's the temperature now? Let me check.
I don't know.
It's like
It's not as windy as it was.
24. It's gone down.
24? Not bad. This is all I'm wearing. Amber's bundled up.
Not really. I told Brian that I wanted to get my nose pierced, and now I've chickened out.
And we are right where we could get it done, but she's chicking out again.
Well, that's where we got our tattoos. I got two tattoos from there. Brian got a tattoo at Big Brain. Cute doggy.
So
Look at that sunset though.
she's really amazed by the sunset.
It's really pretty though.
Look at these apartment buildings too.
Ooh,
So,
that wind. Pretty the way they have
so I honestly don't know where the Orpheum Theater is. Do you?
That's good thing we have a smartphone.
We can find this place and then we'll come back.
Well, I have Christmas cards, so. Hey guys, it's
Hey.
9:15.
Yep. And you know, it was funny because we walked in, they said, well, your map has 3D. Squirrel, sorry.
I didn't know that.
They told, so we brought the camera in. They said we had to take it back to the car. So I had to go back and bring the car back up here. But anyway, the show was awesome.
It was so amazing. If it's in your city, go and see it. Like, the set is amazing. The actors were great. And then just even the costumes, oh my gosh.
So much bling blinging and everything.
It was so cool. They had like thousands upon thousands of Swarovski crystals.
Yeah, wasn't it like 6,000 in one costume or something like that?
Just for like when they were in the cave.
Yeah.
And then we, so just to let you guys know, this was $40. There's no tax or anything. But when are you ever gonna see a genie bear?
Oh my god, dude, it has an earring.
Yeah! It has
Oh, you can't see it.
There's a little. Oh, it didn't focus.
Oh.
Go back. I could do that.
There it is.
See, look how cute he is. And look at this costume. That's the one that he wore in there, and the genie was so awesome. Like, he played it
hilarious.
so well. Like, this costume on this bear is just amazing.
Right.
Like, it was so good. Like, I highly recommend going to see that.
Yeah, this play was awesome.
This is the program. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah. But no, this I highly recommend it.
I highly do. I'm trying to get their pictures at least so that way you guys could see, because you might know some of them from like other musicals. Like the genie was also in Mamma Mia and stuff like that. So the top 3 is Aladdin, Jasmine, and Genie, and they were so great, so awesome.
So, and as you guys know, we're Disney freaks, so we actually love Disney. So this is an awesome chance.
So great. I think this is one of the first
showings on their tour.
musicals that you saw a Broadway show.
Yeah.
But it's definitely worth it. I'm so bunched up because it's like, what, 23 degrees here?
Yeah. So we're on our way home, and we will see you guys later.
Well, hopefully you guys, this wasn't a short video. We don't know how long this is going to be, but because we couldn't bring it in. But we'll also link down below, like we said, about the Nutcrackers. That way you guys can see what Orpheum looked like. But again, subscribe, share, like.
And we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.